Hello everyone, it's Valerie Parker with Celestial Light Gifts, and I'm giving my new hexagon tiles a spin. I found them at Home Depot. They only had 12, so I took them all, and I did a record. I poured on a record with my new Australian Floetrol. I finally got it in, yay! And I do feel like it is so much easier. It's easy to, there's two ingredients, paint and Floetrol, instead of glue and wood conditioner and measuring. And so, and it bloomed up super quick. So, what I practiced with on the record, I was making a clock, and really I was just doing it as a testing piece for somebody who would like a piece for their new bathroom. They wanted very, very pale green, so this is interference green. This is Chameleon green from Arteza. It's the pigment powders. This is Interference Gold by ColourArte. And this is, oh goodness, I got new Arteza colors. They were on sale. So I got 60 of the regular acrylics and 36 of the metallics. So this one is Pearl Pastel Green. So anyway, I'm making those records into a clock. No, that was not Pearl Pastel Green. That was Pearl Sage Green, and this is Pearl Pastel Green. So the record is beautiful, but I don't think there's not enough green, and I know it's because I need like some other solid color, but they're looking for such a pale, pale, pale green. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to try using this, which is I believe, moss or sage green from Arteza's pigment powders. So I'll give that a go. But in the meantime, I liked the record that I'm going to turn into a clock so much that I thought I'd try them on these hexagon tiles. They also asked for a copper cell activator, which I was more than happy to mix up with. This is Amsterdam Copper with the Australian Floetrol. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm going to use a little mini leaf blower to blow it out. And here we go. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I just love it. It is so beautiful and delicate. And I love the copper cell activator. So it's kind of, I wouldn't say plain. I'm so used to like bright and flashy colors. But it is just, it's beautiful. So I hope everybody is doing well. I haven't painted in a couple weeks. I didn't feel great last week. We had a cold front move through and I was pretty much in bed all weekend. I did get some resining done. Selling a ton of jewelry. I'm having so much fun with that. So maybe I'll record myself doing some paint skins because I need to make up a little bit of skin to go with my mom. I told my mom, pick whatever you want. So she did. And they match all of her shirts. And so she has a necklace and I need to make her some, like basically just stud earrings of, I was trying to do like a mother of pearl like Shelly does. So this is the Shelly Art Bloom technique. If anybody wants to know what this is, I'm going to spin it out a little. She is an artist in Australia, Shelly Carruthers. She tested a bunch of pour mediums, came up with this beautiful technique. And there's a code in the description where you can get, I believe it's 15% off. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. Of course, I mean, the camera just does not do it justice of how sparkly it is. Okay, I feel like there's something icky right here. Oh, there sure is. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's disgusting. I believe I need to spin this out again. Sorry, Mommy. I know you hate it when I spin too many times, but the boogies must go. And it's almost covered. Alright. So let's grab this. Oh. So pretty. I love that copper. So a friend at work, she went down to the record store, got a bunch of records for free. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can hear it, but the geese are flying overhead. She's got a bunch of records for free. A lot of mine were broken. So I used the ones that I could. And I will show them to you at the end. I didn't tape myself doing them or anything like that. I must have gotten some bugs in here when I stirred up the pillow paint. So nasty. Ugh. And again, this is Interference Green by ColourArte. Chameleon Green from Arteza Pigment Powders. Interference Gold by ColourArte. Sage Green from Arteza Metallics. And Pearl Pastel from Arteza. Amsterdam Copper Cell Activator. The Australian Floetrol. Whoops. My leg just slipped. Ooh, I feel like this just sinks. All right, so these are the 4 coasters that I just made. I'm so happy I found some hexagon. I'm so happy I have my Australian Floetrol. Here is the record that I made earlier that I'm going to turn into a clock. This is a replacement, both replacement pieces for one's coasters that I had cut up. They were just sitting around and I used them to make jewelry because somebody had asked for those colors. And while I have the colors out, a couple more records to turn into clocks. Hopefully, wink wink, the clients that have asked for those blue and green coasters may want a clock to match. No pressure, anybody. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good night. This is Saturday night, the 21st. And hopefully the next video that you see will be me doing a Dutch pour, because I said I was going to do it on vacation and I didn't. And I have a request for one. So I'm going to try to do that this weekend as well. Good night. Stay safe.